Have you ever felt the bondage in your heart and can't get rid of the trauma of the past? Maybe you once doubted whether it was worth loving yourself and whether you really had the ability to get out of the pain. In this world full of challenges and changes, inner needs are often ignored. In fact, loving yourself deeply is the first step towards spiritual freedom. When you learn to tolerate yourself and cherish yourself, you will begin to release the emotional chains that limit you. Self-love is not selfishness, but kindness and understanding of oneself. Only by loving yourself can you love others and achieve inner peace and relief. Inner freedom is closely related to self-love. When we persist in the pain and hurt of the past, our hearts are like trapped in a cage and can't get real relief. Only by letting go and forgiving yourself can we welcome a new freedom and peace. This process begins with self-love, understanding yourself and accepting everything about yourself. Face your heart bravely and heal yourself from the inside out. Learning to respect your past and emotions is the first step towards true inner freedom. Most of the pain comes from the inability to let go of the past traumas and failures. When we continue to blame ourselves or think that we are not worthy of love, these negative emotions lock our hearts like chains. When we decide to love ourselves, no matter what we have experienced, our hearts will gradually begin to release those repressed pains. Everyone has infinite inner potential. As long as they are willing to explore inward, they can find the hidden wisdom and strength. Learn to forgive from self-love. Forgive your past mistakes, including letting go of your grudges against others. When we continue to be angry or blame ourselves, these emotions will only continue to hurt our hearts. Forgiveness is not for others, but to free oneself from the shackles of emotions. Only forgiveness can truly calm the heart. When we decide to let go of those emotions that no longer bring us happiness, we can freely move towards a brighter future. Self-love and forgiveness can achieve inner freedom and relief. When you love yourself deeply, you will understand that everything in the past is just a part of growth, not everything. Every moment of life is impermanent. No matter how painful the experience is, it will eventually pass. When you learn to love yourself, you will have the courage to release the past and embrace new hopes and opportunities. Inner freedom comes from release, no longer restrained by the shadow of the past, but bravely moving towards the light of the future.